Khubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka net footage ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakrdob ying jongpi
Namar ka jing sedang ban kenre biang jong ka klam jing pang covid khat khandai ha ka jilla Meghalaya barok ko wei khamtam ka jing yai keu jong ki breu ki biyabit ya ka jing pang covid khat khandai ha po ka East Khasi Hills District but Haribhoi District katanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar jilla kala shim ye ka rai ban ailat biang ye ki khna school ki biyabit ye ka jing pang covid khat khandai bakin leit tho ye ki examen secondary school living certificate ne ka examen higher secondary school living certificate hadin balakut kini ki examen tang lada ki la ban penshisha bakile yo ye kini ki jingpang da ka ban ish ki bor penya school ya ka RT-PCR certificate habe ye keren bat kilat pathai khubor u menteri jangkatanat puli puthi ke sarkar jilla bala akmen rumboi uli yetho bah ka jingilang ka balalong menta ka sngi ka khandai trik ubnaya yong arajar arpuwei kala shim ye kini ka rai hadin bala sakhi baka jingpang covid khat khandai kala sedang man kenrei ha kini ki khandiat sngi ki bala dab Watla ka sarkar jilla kala shim ye ki lat kilenti ban yada hi ki pajba nagane ka jingpang khlam kabala wan lin shop ha ka prathai bat ka jilla barok ko wei
ka jing ya shong meeting jigi menne ka sni ka de be tam nak banta ba ya kanik exam ki ban long ha ki tayo ban wan kumno ba kin ya ka e content plan ka ban don nang ba hi khna kin nam sofa but got kumbang sya blehi gadon no kena uba kon uba yo covid ru unom sngeu ka sarkar ka datun krehi ban ai chance biang ya u ha ka wei pat ka por ha ka wei ka tarik ka ban sabu lada ula ban pen i ya ka certificate ba u kham la ban ile exam namar ba udan ka positive covid gi hab ban shim ba menta kaneka de new normal la ban ong ba ka shalantem jong ka pule ka puthi ka shalantem jong ka tre ka ta ka shalantem jong ka roi ka par ka hab hi ban yai tengi ngila experience la shisnem tam ya ka chindon jong covid ba ngila ni de ban nang ban take care but ya ka ka jing khang long tung ban yo ban sanitize ya ka jaka khnang ba unam yabe bat kisku kila kin ram yang ndai tang hati se Shillong College se maris ndai hamnus nembal da pole dikin ka ja hamnus nem ko kala ji apo dan ko ko atura kisku ki principal kila ready ya ki bro mentally ro pat ke plan ki ro kila ready. There are about 65,787 candidates for SSLC and there are 32,506 for the HSSLC. So that it is about 90,000 plus. Thus, all the center, the examination center also, the MBOS has instructed that instead of 2-3 hall, they could be conducted as maybe 4, 5, 6 as the case may be, and also to have at least 1-2 hall extra, so that God forbid, in case anybody on that particular day have been detected with COVID, so that hall could be sealed and the next day we could use another hall. So we have a plan, but I am very hopeful that we will sail through. Nothing untoward incident will happen.